Hello all. So the previous class we have discussed string functions. So within the string functions we have seen concat and concat WS and field. So today we'll see new one left. So there is one more thing left we have. So left. So it will extract part of the string from given string as for the number. So number base చేసుకొని whatever the string we have, so that it can return. Okay. So we'll see the syntax of this. So for example, left and here expression and number or expression number. So let me open MySQL workbench. Okay. System not here. So okay. Show data bases. Okay. Next. So use sample. Okay. So now show tables. Okay. These are the tables I have. So we'll see first how left will work. So select left and okay. Left. Select left. So let me give some value here, expression. So MySQL. And next, what should we give? Number 2. I'm providing. So see, my. So it return my. It will take my. So I give the expression as MySQL. I am taking. So I want to get it 2 characters from the string from the left side onwards. Okay. That is my. Okay. If I want to change this, it is a 3. You let me change this is 3. See my S. So it will extract from the left side of the string. Okay. This is how this left will work. Okay. Next. So we'll apply this left to our table. Okay. We'll apply this left to our table. So what are the tables I have? So tables. Okay, I have EMP and student table. So let me. So already we have employee table. So I want to get first letter from the employee table. Okay. So select star from EMP. Okay. So from the column name, I want to get first letter. So how to get the first letter from the employee table? Name table, name column. Okay. So how to get first letter from the name column? So how to get first letter from name column? So select name, comma, left name 1, and let me define some alias name here as first first letter. Okay, from let me use student. No, yes. So we have to write or else employee. Yeah. See, see, I am getting first letter from the name column. R-E-A-S-A-P. So like this. And if you want to get the first two letters, you just have to change the number here. So how to change? How to get? Simple. You have to change here number. So now it can take first two characters from your string. Very simple. Okay. From employee name, we are getting the first characters from the string, given string. So left we can use to get the characters. What characters you want, first two characters or three characters and four characters, like that. So we can get it by using the left. Okay. So this is how left will work. Okay. 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 That's it. Next. So how to get the names which are not starting with any vowel letters. So to get the names which are not starting with any vowel letters. Okay. So vowel letter means A, E, I, O, U. Right. So now we'll build a query. So select star from this time let me use student where left name from not in. Okay, not in. Now let me define here A, E, A, E, I, O, U. Let me check it. So let me clear first this. Okay. See. So Ravi Kumar, Priyanka Sharma, and Sneha Reddy. Like this. Coming. Okay. Next. So these are not starting the whole letters, right? How to get names starting from all letters? Okay. So how to get those also? Simple. You can say here in. So now Amit Patel, Arjun Mehta, and Anjali Bhatt. So these three names having starting with all letters. These are not having starting with all letters. Okay. So first you need to into class where the condition where left name, your column name, and the number not in class. You have to mention not in class. So in the not in class, you have to mention all your 6 letters, all letters. If you want to get the names with starting with all letters, you just write in. You can remove not. Okay, you need to get all over letters starting from over letters. These names you can just remove not. But if you don't want, you can use not in class. Okay, this is 6. Okay, like this we can give it. So at the query, very simple. So next function we will discuss about length. So length, let me before length. So it will return the length of length of length of the expression in integer. So length expression. Suppose I am using length function. Okay, suppose select length MySQL. So 5. Okay, 5. It will return 5. Suppose 5, give some space, no 6. So it will return 6. So length will consider even the suppose space also. Okay, length will consider space also. So I just give 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it return 3. So how to get the length of your email columns? So how to write a query? So how to write a query? How to write a query to get the length of email? So in table we have a email column, right? So how to write a query to get length of email? So very simple. So let me clear all this. Okay. So select star from today. Okay. So select star comma length email and as email length from today. So email length 22, 24, 22, 23. Like this we can get it. Right? See how we can get it. Very simple. Right? See, if you want only email column, you can define with email. replace with star to email. Or else if you want entire table, you can show this. Okay. Okay. Select email, comma, length email as email length. So I give it from student. Okay. These are the lengths adding these emails. Okay. So next. So next. So next LCASE. LCASE. What it can do. So it converts the string into lower. So lower, yes. Okay. So LCASE, LCASE expression, expression. That's it. So let me clear all this. So select LCASE. So let me define here uppercase MySQL. No, it can define MySQL. See, lowercase. It convert the string into lowercase. Okay. So and we have UCASE so that it can convert the string into uppercase. So UCASE we have so quite opposite. Simple. Can convert upper. Uppercase. So U X. So it's correct. UCASE. So within this, let me give MySQL. So MySQL. Convert the string into uppercase. So next, locate. So this function returns the position of the first occurrence of its substring in a string. Okay. So locate. Good. Okay. This locate will take three arguments. One is substring, and string and start. Okay. Start is not mandatory. Third argument is not mandatory. Remember one thing. So if you want to remember your string function, you have to remember first understand the syntax. So if you understand the syntax, then you can apply anywhere easily without getting any confusion. So how the locate will work? Okay, how the locate will work. Before locate, I'll show you this UCASE how it work in our email code. So select email UCASE email as upper format. I'm telling I'm doing format from student. Student. See, all are coming uppercase means capital letters. Okay, these are upper accent. If you want, you can say you can do that LCASE, lowercase. So all are lowercase, okay, right? Okay. So let me see the locate function, how it works. So select locate. So now, as for the syntax, first it can take, as for the syntax, substring. Okay, substring. So substring, I'm giving some space. Okay, double quote and comma. And the string I'm giving google.com. So this is my string. Or else let me define with within the substring, like this is okay. So let me define here dot. Okay, substring here I am giving dot, and second I am giving google.com. Okay, so this is my substring. So what is my string here? Google.com. So what is the output of the substring? We'll see. So 7. So we'll search for the position of the substring. So the position of the substring is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So dot here 7 position. So the locate will search for position of the substring. So is searching for position of the substring. So what is the position of the dot here? 7, right? So it will return the index position of the substring within the string. Suppose I will give one more example. So locate letter L. So this is my substring. So I am giving as MySQL. MySQL 5. So it is searching for substring position in the string. So locate is searching for the substring position within the string. Okay. So that means index. Okay, we'll return index. Okay. Now, so now I will show you one use case by using this locate and left function. Okay. So student. See, so in the name column, name has become two parts, right? So two parts. Okay, every name is a two parts. So I want to get only first part of the name. So in the Ravi Kumar, I need to get only Ravi. And second, Priya. I want to get only Priya and Amit, Sneha. Like this. Okay. So how do you get writing the string function using left and locate? So this is very important use case. So how to get the first name from the full name? So how to get first name? Okay, name from full name using string function. So only using who, right? Function. Okay. Now select star comma left name comma locate space. Okay, space next. So within this locate will take string, right? Name I define. So as first name from student, right? See. So Ravi, Priya, Amit, Sneha, Arjun, Pooja, Vikram, Anjali, Suresh, Neha. So the first name for these employees or students. So you need to understand these codes. Okay. So select star. So means we are taking all the name column, all table. Okay. And left name and locate. Okay. So if you see the name, every name contains one space. Every name. See, space, one space. So left and also locate function. Copy this. Okay. So what locate will do? Locate is searching for substring within a string, right? So now it is searching for space in the name column. So locate, it's searching for space in the name column, right? Now I am using the left function. So left, so how left will work? So left will take two arguments and expression, and second one is number. So I am using here left within the parenthesis name as first argument. Instead of giving the number, I am using the locate function. So locate will return the substring of the number, right here. So see, locate will return the 5. Now I am here searching the space. So then it is written that number, right? Now left I give the number, that number, then it is written our Ravi, Priya, Amit, like this. Very simple. Okay. So locate also return the integer. So instead of giving the number in the left function, I am using the locate function. So what locate will do? So locate, it's searching for space in the name column. So where you get the space, then that number will be written. Okay. So that is how we can use this left and locate. By using this, we can get the first name from the full name. In the same query, I asked you to write a query like how to get a username from the email. So before the symbol, it is a username. Okay. And after the symbol, you can say domain name. You can say domain. So how to get username and domain name? By using this left and locate, we can do it, right? So how to get username by using the left and locate? How to write? So very simple. So how to get user name from email using string functions in functions. So we'll build the query. So select star comma left. So email and locate. So this locate will search the substring of so at the rate, then it can search the at the rate, right? Now comma email as user name. So as username from today. Simple. See, see, at rate symbol also included. So how to remove? So how to remove that symbol? So how to remove? So I don't want the at rate symbol. So just you have to mention here -1. So you have to mention -1. See, Ravi.com, right? So this is very, very important. So how to get username, how to get domain name within the string functions. So this is username. We thought the first before the at the rate, so we can say username and domain name after that. So we can get username like this from the email by using left and locate. Okay. So next. So next. So understood. Like this, we can get it. So now, next. So mid. So what it can do? Mid function. So it extracts. It extracts substring from a string starting at any position. Okay. Any position. So now mid string start length. So this function will extract the substring from a string. So I will show one example. Select mid of So first one is string as for syntax. MySQL. So MySQL tutorial. So let me say tutorial. Yeah. Okay. So next. So so the starting position, right? So let me say the starting position is 1 and so length. So let me take 3. Okay, length I am defining 3. See my s return my s. So it take from given string, it can take substring. Okay, based on your start and length. So the starting position I am giving 1. The length I am giving 3. So it can count length from first onwards. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. It will return myas. So if you mention 5 here, so it can return MySQL 5 words. Okay. And if I mention here not in starting position, so let me define 6 here. So now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me say 8. What happens? So tutorial. So it's giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is a space. So now let me define. So space also calculated. So 9. Or else you can say 8 and this is 7. So tutorial. Okay. Like this we can give it the starting point and the length from the your string. Okay. Like this it can take it. Okay. So from the 7th position onwards, it can return the characters. So based on your input. Okay. Okay. So if you mention like 0, what happens? So nothing will return. Okay. So it will return like your what do you want? The input start and length. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. So mid function it extract a substring from a string. Okay. So let me is that where I am given. Okay. So let me take this example 2000. Okay. And next. So next function is position. Position. So it returns the position of the first two friends of a substring in a string. Currents. So now how this syntax? So position and substring in string. Okay. So first one is the substring. The key, there is a key in, and second one is string. So now select position. Then so okay. So not comma in. Now give syntax. Say ASC and D D S. No. So now try to understand this. So what is the position of your the symbol? So 4, right? Then it return. So try to understand this position. So here it return the position, the first across of substring. So it will take. So first one is substring in a string. So we don't use any comma here. So I am using in. So this is my substring in. So in is a keyword. So this is the in is a keyword slash. So in the string I want to search for a slash and it will return 4. That means so the position of the slash is 4, right? If I change this as let me say at the rate 8 symbol. Now let me define abcd at the rate gmail.com. See 5. So it will search for the email and it will return the position of the 8 symbol. Okay. At the rate symbol. Okay. Okay. So the select so position substring and from the given string. So I will show one more use case using the position. So how to use this position? So let me show you. So how to let me copy paste this. How to get first name from the full name using position. So how to get first name from the full name using position. So earlier what we did using locate. So remember using locate the function. We did left name locate. So there is a see select left. We are using left and locate. We get it. So same function you can also do using left and position. Okay. So the same uses you can do it. So how to do it? Same. So I show you. So here select star from, sorry, select star left so name. So this time position and so within the single quote space we are searching. Now in name column. So as first name from student. So now let me check this. Okay. So see here. So this is the first name. Ravi, Priya, Amit, like this. So this is the full name. This is the first name. Okay. So here the position is searching for the space in the name column, right? So instead of left, by default left will take two arguments, expression and number, right? So position will return that number. So that number we are giving the position of number and name. So apply the same logic. We can apply the same logic to the email also. Okay. So if I take this, so by using, so this we can say position. Now we could define a thread and email username. So now instead of comma, here you can use in. Okay. So now see username. Then again it is giving you at the rate. So how to do that? At the rate -1. See Ravi Kumar 1. So like this we can use the position. Okay. So next function. Repeat. So it repeat. So repeats a string as many times as specified. Let's say find. So repeat will take two elements. Okay. Repeat and okay. Okay. So repeat will take two arguments, string and num. Okay. So we'll check this. So select repeat. So let me define MySQL. This is my string. Now let me define how many times it should repeat. So two times. I need to put two times. So see here, MySQL, two times. Now repeat it twice. Okay. So how this repeat will work. So next important, very important function is replace. So replace. So replace places. So it replaces all, so all occurrences of a substring within a string with new okay. So replace will functions replace. So we'll take three arguments. First one is string, and second one is substring, and now new string. New string. So replace function, it replace all occurrence of a substring within a string with a new string. Okay. So I will show one example. So select replace. Okay. So string I am taking. So Python tutorial real. Okay. Now second one. So second one is, what is second one? Substring. So substring I am taking Python. So Python. Now next new string. So new string I given MySQL. So now we'll see. So MySQL tutorial. So replace will replace the substring with a new string. So here string is my string. So my string is Python first. The second new one is MySQL. So it replaces with MySQL, the Python. So it doesn't matter the length of the string. See here. So here Python is 6 letters and MySQL is 5 letters. Okay. It replaces it with the entire string. The existing string it replaces with new one. Okay. The replace function. Very simple. So next, I tell one use case for this. So how many H have in Mahatma Gandhi? So how many H have in Mahatma Gandhi? So we know there is two are there. So we will get this output. There are two letters are there in the Mahatma Gandhi. So how many letters? How many? How many? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 A's are there. So how can I get? By using replace function and length function, so I will get it. So first I need to get length of the string Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So select length of Mahatma Gandhi. So let me. So 14. Okay, 14. So what is the substring here? So let me say select replace, select, replace. So here, let me define substring A, and so new string is empty. So there is no S here. So I want to take the length after replacing the A, right? Now we'll see here. So now here, select length with replace. Mahatma Gandhi A with this. See, 10. Before it is giving 40. Now 4 is removed. See how it can work. Okay. So now next we'll do some select when Mahatma Gandhi len replace Mahatma Gandhi. So A and 4. So how many A's are in given string? The first step, so you need to find the length of original string. Okay. So first step, length of string. Next, second step, replace substring with empty space. And third one, length after replacing, right? Now fourth, subtract replacing you see here, replacing string from original of string. So let me explain again. I will explain again. First, taking length of the string. What length of the string here? So length of string, that is 40. 40, right? Okay. So first step is length of string 40. So length of the string 40. Next. So second, replace substring with empty space. So substring is nothing but a. A. So we want to get the letter A count. So substring is A. So let me take replace. Select replace select replace Mahatma Gandhi A, and replace will take 3 arguments. First one is string, second one is substring, and third one is replace with. So new string. So I want to replace with a empty space. So we will get a letter look like this way, right? So this is second step. This is second step. This is second step. Next, you want to find the length of this one, right? So length of replacing the substring, right? So length of replacing the substring. So if you see here, length of replacing the substring 10. So it will return 10. So finally, you need to detect from the original string, subtract and take this entire thing. Same. Then the count is 4. So like this, we can complete our logic. So, how many? Yes, here. Okay. This is how we can do it by using this replace. Okay. No. So next. So that's it today. So we have seen no so many things. So that's it. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this.